Oh, hell nah. Ain't no way, boy. I know you lying. Ain't no way.
Welcome to Walmart. How can we help you?
Hello?
Yes.
Walmart?
Yes, sir. How can we help
Yeah,
you?
listen, I was just wondering, can y'all call the weather people and figure out what time that blizzard's supposed to be here?
I'm sorry. Do what, sir?
Is
Excuse
it
me, sir.
stuck in traffic or something? Cause I bought a whole lot of.
Sir.
Oh my
Sir.
God! I bought so much damn stuff.
No.
Hello? Hello?